Nagpaplano ka ba para sa iyong self-improvement journey? Or to become the better version of you? These are the 5 habits na kailangan mong baguhin sa sarili mo. This won't work without the 5th one. Number 1 is change your mindset. Value yourself. Here's the reason kung bakit ito ang number 1 sa listahan. Dahil ito ang magdidikta sa ating actions and outcomes in the next few days. Next is focus on one thing. Focus ka lang muna sa system kung paano ka mag-i-improve sa sarili mo. Sa sarili mo in the next day. Kung paano mo ma-achieve ang goals mo in life. Dahil wala ka matatapos kung puro ka lang simula. And number 3 is be responsible. Hindi lang sa gawaing bahay. Your daily task is your responsibility. Ito yung mga hobbies na kailangan dinidevelop natin sa ating sarili. One that makes us smart. One that makes us wealthy, and one that makes us fit. Number 4 is get out of your comfort zone. Bro, you don't need motivation. All you need is discipline. Hindi kasi tayo mag-i-excel hanggat hindi tayo lumalabas sa ating comfort zone. And lastly, number 5, execute your goals. Start your 50 days, 75 days, or kung anong challenge man yan. Just start. Ito ay para mag-grow ka. Remember that repetition is the mother of skill. Execute and adjust. Lagi yang magkasama. If you want to start your self-discovery, then decide and take action. In the end, tayo lang din ang pinakamakakatulong sa ating sarili. If you fail, learn from it. Grow from it. Ikaw, kailan mo sisimulan ang self-improvement journey mo? This is day 33 of Project 50. See you guys tomorrow.